potato salad. Got some potatoes that I had on a little earlier. Quick boil, under cold water to refresh them. All that does is stop the cooking process. Plain and simple. Nice bite-sized pieces. Finishing off my potatoes. Let's get this a little closer. Thin strips of peppers, and I have 3 different colors in there. Beautiful looking already. I'm gonna add some pickles here for some sweetness and some more crunch. Just gonna do a nice little quick fine dice on these. What's potato salad without some eggs? Hard-boiled egg. It's coming together beautifully now. All those colors, 3 colors of peppers, the pickles, the eggs. Let's start to wet this up a little here with some flavor, some pickle juice. Don't throw this stuff away. This is really good stuff. And some green onion. Gotta do a little toss on these soon. Now it needs to be dressed. 2 secret ingredients: mayo and buttermilk. Buttermilk for all of that tang. Let's get ourselves a nice big dollop of mayo. Creaminess and tang, that's what the buttermilk's gonna add for you. Now, you got a problem with it spinning on you like that? On the fly. Little turn. This forms a little base. Just showed you something. That all together. Must season this. Little salt. Little garlic. For more flavor, we're always using garlic. Rub that in. Chives. That onion flavor now mixed in with the tang gives us all the elements I'm looking for. Right over top here. Right onto our salad. Woo, yeah. You don't want to waste a thing here. Little touch of mustard, little ballpark mustard, mixed it right in. Woo! Beautiful color. Be rich and creamy. Just fold that in. Let's do the folding technique. Round from the outside, down in. Now this has to sit in the fridge for 3 hours. Let all those flavors come together. This can last up to a week in the fridge if you don't take it out.